Any fraction have a top number and a bottom number. Are you with me? So let's say here,
Yes, sir.
denominator 17 means the denominator is what is 17, a fraction. Do you understand the math?
Is
Okay.
it question?
Okay, you don't know where I'm
Question.
at. The one with the information table. Okay. Question 3.
Oh, yes, yes. Question 3. Mm-hmm.
On a B, the B part.
Oh, okay. 176. Okay, I see it.
Okay. So let's say
Wait, it says a fraction. A fraction. Okay.
a fraction with a denominator 17. So what does that mean? Any fraction we always know it has a numerator and denominator. So they only say fraction has a denominator of 17. So we don't know numerator for now. Do we know? We don't know. Let's continue reading. They say is that's equivalent to. Equivalence means equal. Equivalent to what? To 3 over 11.
To 3 over 11.
So we don't know what is in here. So we can
But
say,
here it says 176.
eh?
I'm saying it says the denominator of 176.
I don't know what you're reading. Oh, it's 176. Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm sorry. You know, there when I was, yeah,
No,
I'm sorry.
it's fine.
So the fraction, the denominator 176. So numerator, what we say x. They say is equivalence. Equivalence means equal to 3 over 7. So what we're going to do, we're going to cross multiplication. So we're going to cross multiplication. X times 11, 11x
11x.
equal 176 times 3. 176 times 3.
528.
528. 528. Now, what do we want here? We want to get the value of x. How are we going to get x? To get the value of x,
So
we have to divide by the number we
we
don't
need
need. But we have to look the sign in between. What is the sign in between here? The sign between number and the
it's
letter.
multiplication.
So how are we going to get rid of this? That number, which is 11, it is multiplication. We have to look the sign of multiplication. If it is multiplication, how are we going to get rid of the multiplication?
We need to divide by 11.
Divide by 11 and divide by 11.
On both
So
sides.
x equal
38 divided by 11. So it's going to be 48.
48. So this fraction here is going to become, instead of say x, it's going to become 48 over 176. But now let's read the question and see if we have an option. If it's not, then we're going to see which is the right option. Which is the option here?
You mean the answer?
Yes.
It's going to be the last one, number 5.
Number 5. That is it. Now, let's do some more algebra. These are easy. The next one you can simply plug in the calculator, know how it is, but don't worry about those ones. Those are basic stuff. Let's go to algebra. Let's do some algebra, okay? And then we come back to it. These are easy. Let me play with the algebra a little. Somebody give, for example, negative 3t minus 10 equal to 2t plus 2. They say solve the value of t. So like we say, we have to group like 10 together. What is my like 10 here? My like 10, if I look careful, I have to use my eyes, is negative 3t, because I must pronounce with the letter, negative 3t and positive 2t. So negative 3t and positive 2t, they must be on one side. Right triangle equal sign is the way how it is. On the left-hand side, I have a negative 3t. Negative 3t. You have a positive 2t. This positive 2t, it must jump all the way to the left of equal sign. Remember, there's no sign here, makes it plus. When it goes all the way to the left, it's going to become what? Minus 2t. We have our equal sign. What I'm left with on the right-hand side is positive 2. So I'm left with a positive 2. Now, on the left of equal sign, I have a negative 10. These go over. Since it's negative 10, it goes over, it's going to become positive 10. Now, negative 3t minus 2t. Negative 3 minus 2. Don't worry about the t because they're like 10. So you can say negative 3 minus 2.
So it's going to be negative 5t.
Okay, negative 5t. Okay, negative 5t. Very good. Negative 5t equal 2 plus 10 equal to 12. How are we going to
Oh,
get out of t?
we need to multiply because it's five. It's a number and alphabet.
So you have to multiply. Or what do you say?
So we always need to multiply if it's a number and alphabet.
Oh, you say there's a multiplication between. That's what you say. And then how are you going to get the
Yes.
value of t right there?
So what we need to do, we need to divide. So because of we need to get rid of 5.
Negative
So
5.
we need to get rid of 5. Yes, both sides.
Not 5,
So,
negative 5. You must say with each sign. You don't leave the sign behind. Okay, people, right?
oh
Negative
yes.
5 and negative 5 is two different things. Two different things. Negative 5, you must look on the left, look on the number. Negative 5, negative 5. So this and this cancel. So our t equals 5 over negative 5. It's like 5 over negative 5. That's our final answer. If you want to simplify, look, it's 5 over negative 5. If I want to write it as a mixed fraction because this is in kappa. No, you don't need that. Listen, my apology. If you don't want to write like that, you can write as a mixed fraction and say,
So if okay, because like 12 divided by negative 5, it gives me negative 12 divided by 5. So we need to put it like that, or we need to do the SD what where you need to get negative 2.4
yeah, you can do that, but also I want to take you back to the mixed fraction because sometimes they might say, hey, look, we want
or
your answer in a mixed
to be
fraction.
mixed fraction.
So this is
Oh,
improper fraction. And since it's improper fraction, we must say, well, negative is just a negative. How many 5 in 12? How many 5 in 12?
it's 2.
So we're going to write B2, which is 10, because there are 2 5, which is 10, and then we're going to be left with 2 left
1.
over this 5.
Oh, sorry, 2. Yes, we're gonna. Oh,
Because there are 2 5 in 12, big 2, but which is 10. But we're going to be left with 2. So write your 2 on top and then you write this number here. This minus is going to come behind. And that's going to be your
oh.
mixed fraction.
So it depends with the
Question.
answer.
Depending on the
I'm saying,
option,
it depends with the question. If they say we need the answer to be proper fraction, you need to, or mixed fraction, you need to. Oh, okay.
yeah, so it depends how they want you to answer because they want to make sure you know everything. Now, let's take more example. So let's do more of this, right? More of this so you get to understand clear how the algebra works. Okay, somebody give me now 2y plus, let's say 7 over uh, 5 equal to y, just let's say 3 now. Woo! So are we gonna cross or are we gonna take over? I'm confused. Nah, it's easy. So what you do, right? Whenever you have a one line, that's a one group. It's like when you say if this line all over means this is one group and this one group. Don't worry about what is in there. No. It is one line, yes. So it's like having numerator and denominator. Because this line did not break and they make it two separate things. Do you understand that? So that means like saying you have a one group equal to 3y. But let me ask something, people. If you have a 5, and if you have a 5 divided by 1, what is the answer? Is there any difference here? 5,
If I have
if you are given 5, and what is 5 over 1? Let me see slowly. What is 5
okay,
divided by 1?
5 divided by 1 is going to be Wait, let's see.
Put a calculator, put in a calculator. You got your calculator, you don't have to stress the sign.
5.
Is 5. And if you have a 5, it's just 5. So anything, when you divide by 1, you get that something. I got this pen. If you give to Mntwana, he's still going to get 1 pen. Ah, if you get the one calculator, say, yo, look, Mntwana, you know what? Use this calculator today. Means you only give me 1 calculator. Means I'm going to get only 1. Okay? So, if you have a 3y, I can just say this over 1 is acceptable too. It does not make any difference. It's the same thing. You agree with me?
Oh, okay.
You agree, right? The reason,
Mm-hmm.
because I want to cross multiplication here. I want to cross multiplication. That's why I have to say to cross must be top bottom, top bottom. For me to cross multiplication.
Okay.
Any question so far that you don't understand or you get confused?
Okay. So
Mhm.
always, if there's no number like this one, this formula, because there was nothing under 3y, so we need to always put 1, or it depend what they need, the answer or what. Because I see you added 1 day, you divided the 3y by 1.
Because we know in real life, if you take 1 pen and decide, Mntwana, today I want you to use the purple pen. So how many pen you gonna get? I'm still gonna get 1. So if you
Oh.
and you say 5 divided by 1 is the same thing. As long
Oh,
as
okay.
divided by 1 is not gonna make any difference. That's why it's 3y they gave to me. But if I give to Mtwana, who's the 1 person, it's still 3y. It did not make any difference.
Okay. No, I understand now.
But why am I doing this? Because I want to do cross multiplication. So I need to have something here. Because
Mm-hmm.
on bottom, this does not have a bottom. Which number at the bottom? Then you write 1.
Okay. No, it makes sense. No, it's
So
fine.
then we can cross multiplication. We're going to say, let's cross multiplication. 1 times all of this. 1 times that. So it's going to become 1 bracket 2y plus 7. 2y plus 7. Equal. 5 times 3y. What is 5 times 3?
So it's going to be 15y.
15y. Now we go. 1 times 2 because it's 1 times everything, right? 1
Mm-hmm.
times 2y because here's times, remember.
It's going
Nothing.
to be 1.
1 times 2y,
It's
2y.
going to be 2.
1 times 7,
It's going to be 8. 1
1
times
times 7.
7. Oh, sorry. Yes. I'm sorry.
Okay, you're forgiven. Please don't do it again.
Okay.
1 times 7, 7.
It's going to
Equal,
be 7.
15y. Those like terms they must be together. Put those like terms together. Now, which are like terms here?
Um, 2y and 15y.
So which it can go either way, wherever you want to take. So you write your equal sign face, right? So you don't make mistakes. You write your equal
Okay.
sign. Which one is gonna go? Either way you want to move. The like term must be one side. Which one is gonna go
So
where?
so we can say sorry. So it's
Okay.
going to be 2y plus 15y.
Why you plus 15y? You don't just say, you must have a reason. Where is gonna
Be,
go? Where is gonna go? You must look careful there.
because 2y, there's no sign, it's positive.
So 2y is positive, and what about this one here?
It's also positive. There's
So
nothing. It's only
what happened now?
15y.
Which one is gonna go where? Which one is gonna go where?
So if we take that one to this side, so it's going to be positive, negative 15. So it's going to be 2y minus
Okay.
15y.
Okay, so we're done with this. So what do we have here now?
So the multi is equals to positive 7.
No. Hold on. You must look at your equal sign here, Fifi. You understand, but you need to pay attention. Like, if I take this one here, what I'm gonna be left with. Like, pay attention. And what is gonna come here? Pay attention. Don't just say, I know you understand, but I try to be attention in detail. So now tell me here, Fifi. You say we take this one here, we can measure it.
Or
Okay?
if we take this one to this side, it's going to be negative 7.
Yes. You gotta pay attention to that, right? Pay attention to that. Pay attention to
Oh.
your equal sign. We will move this one here. Because so here I don't have anything here. Remember. Now.
Oh.
Because you move this one here. So there's nothing here zero.
Mm.
So that's why you have to pay attention. Like if I move this one here, it's empty zero. Now this one come here. Now this gonna be pain. Pay attention to it, okay? So this you say is gonna come -7. Now we can put this in the calculator, put in the calculator, let's get the answer. We have a 2y minus 15y.
So it's going to be negative y, negative 13y
Yes?
is equals to negative
So which one did you
no
get
no
here?
no 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 no.
What
Wait,
did you
wait,
get?
wait, 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 wait. So it's good. Sorry,
Which one did you get here? Sorry, I didn't hear what you said.
negative. Okay, just a moment.
All right.
So uh 2 plus
What? Plug it
is it
down.
15, sorry, it's going to be negative 13.
-15. Okay, I'm gonna write here. So -15 y and then
Is equals to negative 7.
okay, very good. Next step.
So we need to get rid of y. We
Huh?
need to get rid of 13. Sorry. We need to get rid of negative 13.
-15. Uh-huh.
So we need to get rid of negative 13. We need to divide by 13 on both sides.
Why do you divide? You must say
We need
number.
to divide by negative 13 because on both sides, because between 13 and y, we need to multiply because it's a number and alphabet.
Yes, very good. You're doing good. It's like you're flying right now.
I think I'm getting there because I'm proud of myself. It's much better than
All you need to do follow the
I'm
rules.
getting there. You see,
You're doing good. So now we're
I
gonna.
need to be I need to be I need to be careful when it comes to the signs, because like the positive and negative I get confused. But yeah, the more I do it, the more I used to I get it right.
It's gonna be fine. Remember, it's just a fixed stage. We're gonna do this thing.
Mm.
So we divide by -15. Divide by -15.
Negative 13
So our y equal
is
to
going to be y.
negative cos to 7 over 13. More example. I'm gonna raise this, right? Because we're gonna be there.
Wait. So
So.
there's going to be, okay, here is going to be negative. So we're not gonna say, okay, wait, I just wanna check something.
Oh.
7 over
No.
negative.
You don't have to put in the calculator. Look. So. Because I want you to understand. Look at this. We know all the type of fractions. We have a three type of fraction. Tell me, what are those type of fractions? Number one.
We have in proper fraction, we have improper fraction, and we have mixed fraction.
Okay. So is this a proper or mixed or improper?
This one is mixed fraction.
You say this is mixed fraction.
Yes.
Are you sure? I'm not saying wrong. You could be right-handed. Does your heart tell you this is a mixed fraction? In your heart. I'm not saying right or wrong. I want you to follow your intuition now. Did you do from your heart, or you just say it for the sake of, let me just say it? Tell me now
No,
before.
but no. It's not mixed fraction. It's this one is proper fraction.
Okay? So if it's
This one
proper,
is it's not, it's proper fraction.
so if it's proper fraction, then it's okay because it's properly. You are properly. You don't need no distraction.
But am I correct? Am I correct?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Because the numerator, the bigger number on top is. I even give example
Is
the heads like you can dress like big head like come on.
I
Huh?
remember that one is, if like the one on top is bigger than the one at the bottom. So this one is in proper fraction. But if the one on top is small and the one at the bottom is bigger, is proper fraction.
And if it's improper, we have to make it something. We can't just leave the one on top bigger. We must change to
Yes.
okay. So my question: are we gonna do anything or we leave it how it is? Since it's a proper fraction.
Okay.
Since it's a proper fraction, do we have to do something or we leave them how it is? It's okay.
We need to do something to make it a so mixed fraction.
But why you want to do something if it's already proper?
But no. We don't have to do anything. The time we do in, maybe we need to do something is when it's improper
Okay,
fraction, so
now.
that you can make it proper.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I did not understand. So that one is fine. It's okay. You don't
This
have
one
to.
is correct. It's fine. You don't have to do anything.
Yeah. So pay attention to those one. Like you improper, you're not okay. We must do something for you. So
Also, always
unless
when it's always when it's like it's in proper fraction, we need to do something. We need to make sure that it's in the right fraction. It's either proper fraction or mixed fraction.
yes.
It depends with the question.
But if it's improper, the only way we can change is to mix the fraction. For example, somebody give you x
Oh,
over 3. Is this proper or improper?
this one is improper.
Then we have to change to mixed. Now tell me how we're gonna do to mixed.
So I'm going to say okay, how many 3 into 8?
Yes, how many
So
then?
how many 3 into 8 is going to be 2?
2.
And we left with let's say 3 6. We left with 2.
So
We
we're gonna
left with
what?
3. No,
2
no,
over.
wait, 3/3.
Yeah. It's just easily. Okay? So any question first? Any question?
No, I think um no, I think with this one I'm okay.
Okay.
I
Uh you want me to do more questions?
it's
Or you okay? Or it's too much for today? Or you want me to do some
no
more?
no let's do the can I do this one, this last one alone? You can put the number there and then I'll
No problem.
just to see if
No.
I'm okay. I understand.
If you need session of the weekend, let me know. You can do both Saturday and Sunday, okay? We're
If
gonna do
I
it. If you need session, let me know. We can do it again. We can do it again.
okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I'm trying to balance now. I don't want to give it too much. I don't want to give it too less.
Yeah, like last week, is it when Saturday, yo, I was there, Makar. You know what? I couldn't understand some of the things. I was getting lost because I felt like yo, it's too much,
No.
and this is new to me, yo. But today is much better.
Okay. Let me ask something here. Okay. Now talk to me. How are we gonna do first?
Okay. So with this one, because of now we need to cross multiply,
Yes.
we need to divide by one.
Oh my God! I thought it's a trick I'm gonna give to you, and you got it.
No,
That
I remember you told me.
so we're
I
gonna
still
say
remember.
by one. Listen, and then
So it's going to be t multiplied by 1. So it's going to be
number one
1t.
equal. Mhm.
Okay. So because of 1 is t, okay, no, it's fine, makes sense. Okay. Thank you. And so it's going to be 4.
24.
Let's say, wait.
You do what you see. Don't change anything. You do what you see, right? Do what you see. Don't change anything.
Oh, okay. So it's going to be
Mhm.
4.
Mhm. Do what you see. Don't do other things. Just do what you see, and then you get it right. Always.
Okay, so it's going to be 4 open bracket
Very
negative
good.
2
Very good. See.
t plus 3 close
That
bracket.
always go step by step.
So then we need to, so it's going to be, let's see. So it's going to be t.
See equal.
Uh, okay, wait, I just want to see something.
Come. It's okay. Do what you see. Let's go. Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Mm-hmm. Let's go. So you want to open the bracket, right? You want to open the bracket, but are you
oh,
looking between?
firstly,
Always looking between, right? You want to open this bracket. So you got bracket, four bracket, whatever. How are you going to open this bracket?
so if we open the bracket, so we need to 4 multiply by negative 2.
Very good. What is 4 times negative 2? No calculator right now. No, 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 no. 4 times negative 2.
So 4 times negative 2. Joe, can I use my calculator?
No, you cannot use. Make mistakes so you can remember this time. 4 times negative 2.
Okay, 4 multiplied by negative uh, 2 is going to be a 2.
4 times negative 2.
Oh, sorry. It's 4 times negative 4. Isn't 8?
Yes, but a
I'm not.
negative. Don't forget. Sign is very, very important. Don't know. You don't need calculator. You get it right. What is 4 times negative 2? You got it right.
So it's going to be okay. 4 times negative 2.
You got it. Say what you said at last. You got it right. Say what you said at last. You got it right. What is 4 times negative 2?
It's going to be 8.
But don't forget your
Isn't
sign. Not just 8.
Oh, 4. Yo, sorry. So it's
Negative
going to be
8.
negative 8. Oh,
Yes.
Jesus. I'm sorry.
You will leave your sign right now. Please don't do the
It's
thing.
going to be 4 negative. It's going to be negative 8. I'm sorry.
No problem. Negative 8t, and then now let's go.
Plus 3.
No, when you open for both. Because remember this bracket for both. What you did here, you do for the second one.
Okay, wait. So it's going to be negative
Wait.
3.
How did you get this negative 80? How did you get it? You multiply, right? But you must do
Okay.
for both, not for one, for here and four for the second number.
So it's going to 4 multiplied by 3.
Oh, yes, because these brackets, you must multiply for both.
Oh.
So what is 4 times 3?
Okay, no. I got it. So it's going to 4. It's going to be 4 multiplied by negative 2 and 4 multiplied by 3.
Very good.
Okay,
Yes.
so 4 multiplied by 3 is it
Can you play the calculator? No problem. Or you can use
is
a
18.
use the calculator.
12.
12. But you must write the sign here, right? You know, anything must have a sign. Which sign?
So it's going to be positive positive sorry, addition we add.
Positive
by
what?
12.
Positive 12.
12.
Okay? Now, what is the next step here? Like 10 now. Which are like 10? You must put them together. Mhm. I'm listening to 50. 50, want to finish that question now. We right here now, 50. We almost finished. Let's put the like 10 together and let's finish. We have a t equal to negative t plus 12. 50 say I'm going to finish that.
So, oh, Jesus.
Oh,
Sorry, sorry.
it's okay. Like 10 together.
So it's going to be so it's going to be, let's see. I just want to check something.
No, no, no. You don't need calculator. You don't need calculator. First, explain to me, Fifi. Don't worry about it. You can plug anytime. Look at this. Tell me, hey, here we're gonna do it. Use your eyes, right? You know, algebra is about eyes.
So we need to
Look at it. Look at. Don't use a lot of thinking. Whatever. Just look. What I'm gonna do here. Look at the like terms, Fifi. Like term must be like term. What do you do with the like term? Which are like term there?
So we need to, yeah, I see. So we're going to say 8t.
You understand? But tell me, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do. So I see. Like, do you clearly understand, or I have to do something about it?
So we need to take the 80 to the left side.
Yes. So then what I'm gonna write
So
there?
it's going to be negative 80.
But you must look here, right? Look, look. Let me explain something. You understand everything, but I want to keep attention something. Okay, you got this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say if I take this pen here, you must say what you have here. You can't just say I only have one pen. This is what we got, right? I'm gonna take this one here. So what do you have here? What you have now? Sorry.
We have pen and a match. What's a highlighter?
You
There's a
understand?
phone and a highlighter.
You
There's
see
a
what I'm
phone
saying?
only.
So you must say what you have now. And when you start to mention, you must start with what is in their face. In my opinion, you can say it either way. Personally, I think it's the best way to say I have a this eraser and a pen. You say what you have in their face before the one pen because I have a razor and this pen. So I have a eraser and a pen. You start with what you have there. Does that make
So
sense?
it's going to be okay. So it's going to be T.
Yes, T.
Um, -8
How negative?
because we take
You
this
gotta look at your
to.
equal sign.
No, it's going to be positive
Why positive? I feel like you're guessing negative, positive, negative. Why?
because if we take then if Jesus.
Yeah. Say what you say. Say what you say. Listen, I want to know where you make mistake, where you get confused. I ask this for a reason, Fifi, right? So I see where you get confused. I'm not pressurized or whatever. I want to say, okay, where you get confused or why you don't understand, so we can reduce over and over. So you wrote your T, and then what's the next step?
So the next step we're going to take -8 because when you take to the left side we might we I don't know how to put it.
Okay, means you didn't understand, please. So what you need to do first, look at your equal sign before you do anything, because you know what I know left or right if you don't look at your equal sign. After you look at your equal sign, it's okay. This is my equal sign. This thing is gonna move left or right of equal sign. So when you say of equal sign, then you know, okay, something jumped. What am I left with? Right of equal sign? You understand what I'm saying? Look at your equal sign. Okay, now look at your equal sign. Do you see your equal sign?
Yes, I see it.
And then look on the right and look on the left of equal sign. You must pay attention to the of equal sign.
So my equal sign is on the left side is
It's not
-8.
is okay. Okay. Let me say this. You understand? But I want to, okay. 50. This and there and this are equal sign. So then look, okay, which one is gonna go where and where? Once it jump the equal sign, the sign is gonna change. Okay? You don't understand, right?
Okay, when the eight jump to the negative jump to the positive is good to the left side is going to be positive.
But you're not saying equal sign, Fifi. It's very important for you to say equal sign. That's why I insisted.
Or
Fifi,
is
you
equal.
have to look at your equal sign. Come on now, we're gonna have to start the fight now.
Let me
Uh-huh.
let me see.
Please, come on.
Let me see the.
Okay,
So
talk.
it's going to be equals to. But like still, I get confused here.
Okay, look, see. You confused in my opinion, I might be wrong. Look at your equal sign, Fifi. Don't look at anything else. Okay? Look at your equal sign, that's all. And look on the left and look on the right. Of, you see what I'm saying? Of, okay, you know, okay, Fifi, show me right. What's the right? Your left? Okay. Who is the equal sign? You the equal sign right now. Let's say you equal sign. This your right, this your left. Okay, now put one. Where's your calculator? Left or right? Fifi, you're not saying, you gotta say left of equal
Yes,
sign.
okay. This the calculator is on the right side.
Calculator on it,
It's on the
right.
right side. The
Oh,
right.
equal sign. Oh, Fifi, every time say equal, 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 you're gonna save your life. Off equal sign. Right off equal sign. Okay, because that's a key thing. Let me ask you slow. Where is your calculator?
It's on the right side.
You don't say equal sign, Fifi. We cannot talk 50 times. Right of equal sign. Okay, let me say slow. I'm equal sign.
Okay.
You have to say that. You disappoint me now. Come on, you gonna make me make TikTok 20 times now. Come on, Fifi. Fifi, look. Please say the word equal sign, Fifi. Come on now. You've been doing well
So
all
I
of.
need to say it.
You must say that, girl. You will must have, must or have or ought to say that. You must say that because that's what your confusion is. You now look at the equal. You must say right of equal sign. I'm an equal sign. Left of equal sign.
Oh.
So on the right of equal sign, I got this pen here. On the left of equal sign, I got this pen here. So now,
Mm.
where did it go? To which side?
Left of the equal side.
You must say that. You must say that because that's what completion is. But if we jump the equal sign, what am I left with here on the right of equal sign? What do you left here?
Nothing.
Nothing. And how this is going to become if it was positive? Let's say it was positive. It jumped to the right of
So
equal
it's
sign.
going. So it's going to
How is it going to become?
left of the equal side.
Let me say slowly. It was positive on the left of equal sign and then jump all the way to the right of equal sign. So since it was positive, when it jumped over here of equal sign, how it became?
So it's going to be negative of the equal side.
So either way, so please you must mention the equal sign so you can know. You
Oh.
must say that, please. I don't want to see a left, right. Of
As
equal sign.
I'm sorry, Askisi.
Now, let's come here now. Talk to me now. You know what to
So
pay
it's
attention.
going to be. So it's going to be um. Okay, wait.
What is that you have to look, Fifi? Look at that things I've been mentioned. What is that you have to look before you do anything, Fifi? What is that you have to look?
The equal sign.
That's what you have to start with. Don't start like, wait, jump. Now, start with there. And you need to look left and right, Fifi. Come on now. What are you doing? Ah. Now, let's go. Talk to me. Talk to me, Fifi. So, what you do first? Talk to me. It's
So
easy.
it's good. You need to put the equal sign.
Okay, equal sign. Look at your equal sign and then what you do now. Talk to me. Look at your equal
So
sign, right?
the so you're going to move the negative edge to the equal the right side the left side of the equal side.
And
The
then how?
sign.
So what you're gonna have, or what we have first?
So what we're gonna have first is going to be the T.
The T, very good. And then
And so we're gonna put the negative 8 of the on the right. Oh Jesus.
okay, say what you said. Don't know what. Huh?
Okay, so you're going to take the negative side, the negative 8 to the left side of the equals. Yo,
Mm-hmm.
sorry.
No, no, Fifi, get serious. Let's get down. Let's get down because of time, right? Just go on, say the right thing. You're doing well, but be confident. When you do well, just be confident. Okay, just go. So what say? Mm-hmm.
So you're going to take the negative 8 to the right, to the left side of the equal sign.
And then how it's gonna become?
So it's going to be positive 8.
Very good. So we're gonna write our equal sign here. B is gonna come here. It's gonna become positive A T. Now look at your sign, right? You gotta look at your sign. Pay attention. And then what you're gonna have?
We're
Only one.
going to have the uh so we're going to have so we're going to leave that to what's this? Okay, positive 12 on the equal on
On,
the what's this? Is it the right?
yes. So I have a question. If this stuff hard, let's be real. It's not hard. You have to look left and right. You see, you just did only once and you did right because you have to look. You can't just say without looking because you could never get it right. You look at your equal sign, left and right. You can't just say, now it's going to go to the left. Left to where? Do you understand what I'm saying, right?
So
You
I
get it.
need to mention the equal sign.
You must, not you need, you must. Otherwise, you never get right. Now, talk to me. Now, t plus 8t. How many t? If we say t, how many t be?
So it's going to be 80 of
This is
the
it. How many? If somebody say t, how many t are they?
we only have one T.
One t. So how we gonna put this together? Since the like terms, let me see how we can put it
So it's
together.
going to be 1 plus 8. So it's going to be 90.
Very good, 90. Equal to 12. How we
12.
t?
So now because we need to get T and get rid of 9,
Yes.
so you are going to divide by 9 on both sides.
Divide by 9, divide by 9. Very good. This is
Reason
half.
why we divide this because there is
Yes.
multiplication in between. It's two numbers actually. Sorry, it's the number and an alphabet. So we need to
Exactly.
multiply.
Now put in the calculator 12 divided by 9.
12. Okay, sorry. 12 divided by 9. So it's going to be 4 over 3. So this
Oh,
means it's going to be T equals to 4 over 3.
well, very good. Or is it right to live like that? 4 over 3? Which type of fraction there?
So if it's over 4 over 3, we need to put it into, oh, so we need to use, the answer needs to be on mixed fraction.
Now, how are we going to do
So
it?
it's going to be 3 over 1. Sorry, it's going to be 3 over 4, which means you're going to say 3. It's going to say 1, 1. Sorry, 1.
Will be
3 over
1.
4. And we left with 1. So it's going to be 1 over 3. So it's going to be
1
1.
over 3. Yes, you got it. It's okay. Fifi,
Okay, let's see. Okay, now I see. Sorry.
I'm, yeah,
You see the
I'm going
last
to
step. I'm
imitate you
perfect.
now.
The problem is there.
Eh?
Ex- I'm saying the last to get the answer, the final step. I'm perfect. I'm okay.
You did well. I'm so impressed. You did very well. Sometimes we'll be fighting sometime with you guys. I like fighting with you. Huh? My
No, I
75.
think it's fine. No, you know what, ne? When you fight, it's okay because when you fight, I pay attention. Cause even like when I doubt myself and you shout, I don't have a choice but to tell what I'm thinking. Because if I'm relaxed, like I'm not gonna know anything.
Okay. But I don't mean to do that, right? Sometimes it's just to wake you up.
No, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Because
Okay.
I understand, like now, I need to get the right thing, and then I know the answer, but I can't say it because, like, if you can check, most of them I know I knew the answer, but I couldn't say it because I was like, yo, I'm not sure. So when you shout, no, I don't have a choice but to answer what I'm thinking.
So the only thing you need to pay attention, just the equal sign, right? You don't mix up left and right. Look at your equal sign. Always. If you think you forget to left, right. Hey, left, hey, equal sign. Left, right. Then equal sign. When you go to the right, sign change. When you go to the right, sign change. Left, right. Hey, you just do those things, silly things, but it can happen. Say, what are you singing? Go say, no, don't worry about it. It's my song. Left, right. Hey, right, left. Equal sign.
But to be honest, I'm impressed. I think I'm getting there. Hey?
Yeah, you did very good. And I don't blame you. You know, sometimes when you learn something new, you forgot and understand what you mix up. But when you do it again,
Mm.
you're gonna remember more. Just you see today, when I mention proper, improper, it's easier for you to remember because you did before.
Exactly. And I
So
couldn't
next,
struggle like before because last I yeah, I'm getting there. The more we do them, the more